Hello YouTube. Welcome to Going Off Grid from Scratch. Chris is here, the host. Time to get back to work. That's how I'm making my money right now. Fixing chainsaws, and I got a moped to work on yet. Working on a Stihl o26. This is the old model. This is from 95, I believe, or 2005. Because the new ones, the new models say MS on them, or M. Oh, this thing needs a diaphragm and a gas line. Yep, right here it says 95. Stihl 1995. It had a pretty cool setup. I really like it. It had all your tools right there with it. Got your file. And then I had your spark plug wrench and your Allen key thing for taking the covers off. I really like that. I wish they'd come out with more like that stuff. I don't know if they have them right now. I haven't worked on a Stihl before. This is my first time working on them. It's pretty simple. But got to get in here, and I'm taking this carburetor out. Got to replace this gas line here that goes into the gas tank because it's weathered. See how stretchy it is? I don't know if you can see that. See if we can move you in closer. There we go. Gotta get in here, find the right tool. Somewhat of a pick. Get that out. See how springy it is? That means it's getting eaten up by the ethanol. Either ethanol or that can gas. I've been told that can gas is bad. I just poked a hole in it. I wasn't even trying to. Come on here. Yeah. See if I can find pliers.